EBITDA margin reported at around 19%. There is no significant change expected for the near to medium term outlook due to inflationary input cost environment. The stock is trading at a PE of 48 times to FY26 earnings, and our outlook is neutral on the stock. UPL Limited posted the result above expectations. Revenue grew by around 10% on a YY basis. On operating level, the margins reported at 19.8% versus the expectation of 18%. The management highlighted that the destocking is done and there is a healthy balance between the restocking and the farm level consumption of CPC. However, pricing power remains weak for global CPC industry due to excess Chinese capacity and uncertain commodity prices. The stock is trading at a PE of 17 times FY26 CPS, and our outlook is neutral on the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. A couple of results. Axis Gates Technologies reported a good set of numbers. Revenues grew 18% Y on Y at 275 crores. EBITDA margins also saw an increment and they came in at 14.7%. Last year they were 12.9%. Company continues to have a competitive advantage in its core domains like aerospace, defense, and semiconductors. 72% of its revenue comes from these core verticals and contribute 99% to the EBITDA. In its presentation, company has said that it expects a robust FY26 on the back of 50% growth seen in its core verticals and 300 beeps expansion in margins for FY26. We had recommended this stock in our yearly picks and stock had achieved the target price and has corrected again. So one can buy the stock at current levels for good returns and long term. Secondly, Vishal Mega Mart also reported numbers, a good set of numbers, wherein the revenues have grown 19.5% YOY. EBITDA margins have come in at 16.1%, and last quarter they were 12.4%. The adjusted SSG also has come in at 10.8% in Q3, and for the 9 months it is at 11.9%. Stock is available at 66.5 times the TTM EPS, and one can buy the stock for a price target of rupees 140 in medium to long term. Thank you.
Good morning. IRB Infrastructure Developers posted the result. Revenue grew by 27.7% quarter on quarter and 2.9% year on year. EBITDA grew by 28.4% quarter on quarter and 13.2% year on year. EBITDA margin came at 48.6% versus expectation of 44.5%. PAT is also above expectation, and stock is currently trading at P of 28.5 times FY26 EPS. So overall the result is above expectations. Inox Wind Limited posted the result. Inox Wind order book came at 3,286 megawatt versus year on year 2,575 megawatt. Revenue grew by 24.4% quarter on quarter and 81% year on year. EBITDA grew by 19% quarter on quarter and 123% year on year. EBITDA margin came at 22.7% versus quarter on quarter 23.6%. PAT is improved, and stock is currently trading at P of 25.7 times FY26 EPS. So overall the result of Inox Wind has improved. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Vedanta yesterday has reported numbers, and the numbers were ahead of expectation. Result came during the market hour. But thereafter, in the con call, company has indicated that the benefit in aluminum, high alumina, the impact of high alumina prices will be reflected in the Q4, wherein the inventory is comparatively higher. So that can have some negative impact, whereas the captive alumina production will be coming majorly, though will be there in the Q4, but majorly will be coming in the first quarter of FY26. Apart from that, even the other segment, that is zinc, the prices of zinc uh, in the current month, that is January, is a bit lower than the average price of Q3. So quite possible near term we may see some sideway movement for Vedanta, but long term outlook is positive considering the demerger which the company has announced, and there is a meeting on 18th February wherein creditor and shareholder will approve the scheme. So that can act as positive for the company. And apart from that, company has various expansion and backward integration program. Benefit of the same are will be getting reflected over a period of time, especially in FY 27 26. So we recommend to hold or buy the stock on any corrections which we may see in the near term. Uh, that's all from us, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here. Yeah, we don't have commodity team today, so we'll close the call. Thank you.